Today, I'm going to be going over some of my favorite ways to deal with food noise while being in a calorie deficit. High protein, high fiber. If you're in a deficit and you're not at the very least getting 1 gram per pound of body weight in protein, you can have so much fiber. Like I've had upwards of 100 grams of fiber in a day if you're really struggling with fiber. Now, keep in mind, you want to slowly get your body used to that. Don't just jump to 100. Your stomach will absolutely be killing you. Next, try to get as many vegetables and fruit into your diet that your calories will allow. Vegetables, very, very low calorie. I try to load up every single meal with vegetables. This is going to help, one, keep you satiated, but two, give you additional fiber. Just make sure that you get a good assortment of fruits and vegetables, all different colors. This will also help ensure that you're meeting your micronutrients. You won't feel like shit while losing weight. And then some other things that I do. One, to deal with my sweet tooth. I freaking love these Drizzlicious. I've tried a lot of different flavors, but the lemon cake, in my opinion, is the best. But there's a lot of different flavors. You can give them a try. They're low in calorie. I mean, you could demolish an entire bag for not very many calories. I know not a lot of people like the rice cakes, but I mean, each one of these rice cakes is 60 calories. The tomato basil, in my opinion, is by far the best. You can also get a popcorn flavored one that's around like 30 calories, and it legitimately just tastes like you're eating popcorn. So it's definitely one of my favorites. And then I also utilize a lot of diet sodas, and I do like the Dr. Pepper, the creamy ones. This one's a creamy coconut. And my second favorite is the strawberries and cream. I'll have anywhere from like 1 to 5 of them. Perfectly fine. And I still make sure to get all of my water in for the day. And as a whole, for the most part, this is what I utilize to help keep the food noise down as much as I can while being in a deficit.